Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to check dropshipping business website. So if you're looking for your dropshipping business with Shopify or Wix, so you can start doing dropshipping. So dropshipping is easy to use, and you can do lots of things with dropshipping. So dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which a business doesn't keep product it sells in stock. When a dropshipping retailer sells a product, it purchases the item directly from third party, a manufacturer, wholesaler, or a retailer that ships the product directly to the customer. So what is the business in dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which a business doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. When a drop shipping retailer sells a product to its purchaser, the item directly from a third party, a manufacturer, wholesaler, or another retailer that ship the product directly to the customer. So if we check the margin, there is average 15% to 20% of the margin in dropshipping. So they can vary greatly depending on choosing dropshipping niche and the average cost of your goods. Try to aim for profit margin of higher than 20% to get most of the best dropshipping products you sell. What is dropshipping and how does it work? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which a business doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. When a dropshipping retailer sells a product, it purchases the item directly from third party, a manufacturer, or another seller that ship the product directly to the customer. So you can do dropshipping with Shopify because Shopify is giving you a lot of more profit than others. And is dropshipping illegal? Yes, dropshipping is legal. You may run into the other legal issues depending on who your supplier is, but dropshipping on its own is a perfectly legitimate method.